Hello everyone, welcome back to Genius Knowledge Point, your one place for practical programming solutions for computer and IT students. I am making this video to provide practical knowledge to all students so that you can develop your own programs which will be helpful for your studies as well as career. In this video we will perform practical number 23 of Python programming, and the topic in this video is to demonstrate data hiding. So this topic is designed according to case scheme of Diploma Computer and IT students and semester 4, but anyone who wants to understand the concept of data hiding inside object-oriented feature of Python programming can follow this video till end and you will understand it very clearly. So what is the concept of data hiding? For that, before you have to understand what is data. So whenever we do any kind of program, so in that program we use inputs. So that input is again in the form of data. We take input inside the program, then we process that input and we generate output in the form of information or data. So that kind of information is stored as a data inside our program. So whenever we create any program, how we handle the data inside the program, we use some variables. So this is how we are handling data inside our program. So in previous videos we have already seen the concept of object-oriented programming, in that we have created many classes, and in the class we are taking some variables to represent the data inside the class. So that data is taken in the form of information or variables inside your class, then using that data variables we handle the data and process that data. But there are some cases whenever we want to keep the data secure or we want to keep that data inaccessible to outside the class. So in that case we have to use this concept which is called data hiding. What we do in data hiding, we keep the data access to only some specific elements of the class so that it cannot be accessible to outside the world, and in another way we provide data security there. So this is how the data hiding is useful inside your object oriented programming. So in this way data hiding is very useful in object oriented programming. So we keep the data accessible to specific elements and we secure the data from outside the world. So this is how the data hiding is done. So let us see how to do data hiding practically inside your program. So directly moving toward the first question, write a Python program to implement data hiding. So there is nothing given in the question, so we just have to assume some example where we can do data hiding. We have to hide the data inside your class. So data hiding is the concept of object oriented programming only, so that's why we have to do the program of classes and objects here. So moving toward the code now. So initially I am defining my class as a class space my class. So this is the class name that I am defining. Then after that, inside definition I am defining one constructor. So def double underscore init double underscore. So this is the constructor of this class. We have already seen this inside our previous videos. Then in the constructor bracket I am passing first parameter as a self, that is the default parameter, then second parameter as var1 and third parameter as var2. So these are the two parameters that I am providing inside my constructor. Then inside the constructor I am creating one variable as self dot double underscore hidden var. So what is the meaning of this double underscore hidden var? So whenever we are creating any variable with double underscore before that, that means this variable is hidden outside the class. That means it is not accessible outside the class directly. So I am assigning the var1 value to this hidden variable, and it is hidden variable. That means it is not accessible outside the class directly, but class members can access this variable using the functions. So next I am creating normal variable as self.var is equal to var2. So I am assigning the second parameter value to this var. So this value will be assigned to this variable. So this is normal variable and the first variable is hidden variable because it is created using double underscore prefix. So the constructor is complete here. Next I am defining one more method. So def display and passing no parameter, that means we have to just include self here, and in the print statement I am printing hidden variable, then I am printing self dot double underscore hidden variable. So this is how I am printing this hidden variable value using self dot double underscore hidden var variable name. Next I am printing the normal variable directly self dot var. So this is how both the variables are printed here, and these variables are printed inside the function display. That's why whenever we are running this display function, this self dot hidden variable will be accessible because the display function is accessing this variable which is member of my class. So that's why it is accessible inside this function, because it is a member of this class. So next, the function definition is completed and also class is completed. Next, I'm creating one object of this class. So obj is equal to my class. Then in the parameter bracket, I'm passing two parameters. First parameter will be var1, which is given to hidden variable. Then second parameter is var2, which is given to normal variable. So this is how the constructor will be called here, and both the variables will be initialized. Next, I'm printing normal statement, directly printing hidden variable. So this is the message. Then after that, I'm directly printing it using object. So I'm writing obj dot double underscore hidden variable. So what I'm doing here, I am directly accessing the hidden variable using object name outside the class. So this is the calling of this hidden variable, or accessing of hidden variable outside the class. So at this line we will get an error because this variable is not accessible outside the class directly. So that's why we should get error here. Then again I am printing the second statement, directly printing non-hidden variable and printing obj.var. So at this location I am accessing the variable which is normal variable using object name. So we should get access to this variable because it is not hidden. So let us see the output on the output screen, what it will display. Next, I am calling the display function using the object, so obj.display. So at this location, both the display function print statement will run and we will see an output. So let us save the code. Then to run the code, I have to go to the location, then opening cmd here. Then the command is py space my file name, that is data hiding .py. So after entering, you can see I have got an error to the print statement where I am printing the hidden variable directly. So directly printing hidden variable. So the message is printed, but obj dot double underscore hidden variable, this printing statement is giving me error. Why? Because this variable is not accessible outside the class directly. Even if I am using the object, still I am using this variable directly outside the class. So that's why we are getting this error. We have hidden this variable using double underscore. So to remove the error, what we have to do? We have to comment this statement of printing the hidden variable directly. So I am just putting hash here. That means I am commenting the entire statement of print line. So saving the code again, then going to the cmd again and running the program again. So let us see what is the output. So directly printing non-hidden variable. So 20 is visible here because we are printing the normal variable which is not hidden. So that's why it is printing here properly. Then we have called the display function, and display function is having the access of hidden variable because it is a member of the class. So that's why we can access this 10 here. So hidden variable is printed here and normal variable is also printed because it is having the access of this class. So that's why hidden variable is properly printed here. But whenever we are trying to print the hidden variable outside the class directly without any class member, in that case we are getting the error. So this is how the data hiding can be achieved inside your object oriented programming and Python programming using this concept of hidden variable. We have to use double underscore whenever we are creating any variable, and we have to hide that variable outside the class definition. So in that case you will create your object like this. So this is how we have completed this question. Also the practical number 23 is completed, which was just having a single question. And what we have learned inside this practical, we have learned how to hide the data inside the class using double underscore and variable name. So this is how this practical is ended here. So that's it for today's practical. I hope you understand the program clearly. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such programming solutions, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video. If you have any doubts or need solutions for other programs, drop a comment below. I will be happy to help. Thanks for watching and happy coding.